Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be finding out if the rumors are true. Can you edit on a refurbished M1 MacBook Air, which I have right in front of me? So with this, I'm going to be taking some clips directly from my iPhone, uploading them to my computer, editing everything in iMovie, and showing you guys the overall process and how easy it is to edit on this thing, how smooth it is. Has this stack up to my gaming PC that I use for mostly video editing? We're gonna take a look at all that sort of stuff, guys. I'm gonna be airdropping files from my phone directly here. It's all gonna be 1080p 30 FPS video, nothing too crazy. But yeah, we're gonna see if you can actually use this thing to video edit and become a content creator. So let's get into it. We are going to upload the clips. This should be under downloads, I think. And today is June 18th, so I'm guessing it's all of these. Let's grab all these clips and we're gonna bring them in. Import selected. Okay, and I also want to import my end screen here. This is reusable clips and end screen. Okay, so let's see how this thing does. This is gonna be generally just a sort of like walk through of my thoughts here. We'll see how this thing handles it. So like for this video, it's gonna be like a standard like M1 MacBook Air thoughts video, just with some B-roll in the background. So obviously I have the end screen here. I'm gonna bring this on the timeline. As you can see, well, let's show me the properties of these clips. I'm just curious, like. But yeah, it's like a lot of these clips are just in slow motion. So as you can see, like running through the overall timeline on this, super smooth, no issues at all. If we just like layer on these clips, as you can see, and I'm probably gonna be like taking off like the beginning of these just when the slow motion starts. Probably like the end as well. We'll cut some of this out, like right there. We'll take the beginning and end because that's how iPhones record stuff. Then maybe we'll tack on some transitions as well once I like snip all these end bits off. We'll throw in some cool titles on the start, like right here. Can edit it. This is just like generally my thoughts when doing this. MacBook Air M1. Is that gonna have a cool effect, or is that just gonna be really basic? Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so we'll have that. Obviously, I'm probably gonna record a voiceover for this, but I'm not gonna do that in this video just because you guys are wanting to see like how smooth it is to actually like edit on this thing. Take this off. Let's throw in some transitions. Fade to black maybe, or cross blur. Cross dissolve. We'll do some cross blur right here. Let's see how that looks. I think that's pretty clean. Let's throw that in this one. This one. Oh, I already have it there. I'm dumb. Already have it there. Let's grab our next clip. And this one is in like not slow motion. Another thing you can do is you can do color grading. Here, I'm not big on color grading. If you want to do this, you can do some auto and it'll like correct it for you. I'm not a big fan of this, to be honest. I think the auto actually looks worse, but if you did want to play around with the colors, you can do that as well. I'm not massive on that. But you can go here and you can like adjust the temperature of the colors. Maybe you want to make it a little warmer, adjust the exposure too. I think that looks all right. In general, I have good lighting in my room, so it's not going to be like the biggest problem. But as you can see, this is butter, and I'm editing literally this on the battery of this device with only 8 gigabytes of RAM. As you can see, it's so fast, just like flying through this stuff like absolute butter. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. Trim that, add some transitions, another cross blur, another cross blur. So many cross blurs in this video. It's insane. It's actually insane. And now I have all my clips, put the end screen on the end, and boom. Granted, this is a really short video, but we zoom out, this thing just plays like absolute butter. And I'll even color grade one. Just so you guys can see. Let's add some vibrance and adjust the color temperature. Look at this. Even adding color grading, it's still previewing the clip in full quality and everything like that. And granted, I would normally have clips here with audio, so I'd be adjusting the, you know, like the audio here, and I usually just do auto. Auto usually fixes most stuff. Video on my channel. If you're interested, click over. And that usually works out. But yeah, look at this. I mean, granted, this is just a very, very quick edit. I'm not really doing anything special here. But I think it looks absolutely so clean. Then I would go in here, add some voiceover, and the video would just like look insanely clean, which is nuts. It's like, this is all you need to do is have this B-roll in the background and some voiceover, and you're looking at a professional quality video for my standards, at least. Obviously, if you're like a very good video editor, this looks like trash to you, but to me, with the slow motion footage and the nice panning and stuff like that, all shot on my iPhone, like, you can't really complain, which is crazy. And I think I'm missing one clip in here. I have to add that in. But like, in general, guys, this is what you can come to expect, which is absolutely crazy. Now I'll use this. I'll make this video, upload it, boom, thumbnail, all set to go, and we're chilling. So yeah, guys, this has been it for this recording. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for future awesome projects with Tech with Scott. Appreciate all you guys watching this sort of content. You guys are the bomb. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video from Tech with Scott. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.